Hello, and welcome to another day, another tutorial video. Now, I'll be teaching you about links and images. In this lesson, we will cover two essential HTML elements that allow you to connect your web pages to other resources and display visual content: links and images.
Wow!
The A tag, also known as the anchor tag, is used to create hyperlinks. Hyperlinks allow users to navigate from one web page to another, either within the same website or to external websites.
Wow!
When creating links in HTML using the tag, there are several types you can use depending on what you want to achieve. The first type is an external link. This is used to connect your web page to an entirely different website. Here, clicking the link will take the user to Wikipedia, and the target equals blank attribute makes sure the link opens in a new tab or window. The second type is an internal link. This is used for linking pages within the same website. In this example, clicking this will take the user to the About HTML page inside the same website. The third type is an email link. This lets users quickly open their email client with a pre-filled recipient address. Clicking this opens the default email program with info@example.com already in the recipient field. Finally, there's the phone link. This is especially useful on mobile devices, as it prompts the device to call a phone number directly.
Wow!
Here are other link attributes that you can use when creating links in HTML. You can control how and where the link opens using the target attribute. This attribute tells the browser what to do when a link is clicked. Let's go through the examples one by one. The first example uses target equals self, which is actually the default behavior. It opens the linked page in the same tab or window. The second example uses target equals blank. This opens the link in a new tab or window, perfect when you don't want to lose the current page. The third example is target equals parent, which is used when your page is inside an iframe or frame set. It opens the link in the parent frame, the containing page. The fourth one, target equals top, breaks out of alt frames and loads the link into the full browser window. Finally, there's an example of using the title attribute alone. The title attribute adds a tooltip that appears when the user hovers over the link. The image tag is used to embed an image in an HTML page. It is a self-closing tag, meaning it does not have a closing tag. When adding images to your web page using the image tag, you need to tell the browser where the image file is located. This is done with the srcc attribute.
Wow!
Width and height specifies the width and height of the image in pixels. It's generally recommended to control image dimensions using CSS for better responsiveness, but these attributes can be used for basic sizing. For best practices, always use the alt attribute for accessibility and SEO, optimize image sizes for faster loading, and choose the right format JPEG for photos, and for transparency, GIF for animations. You can also combine this to tags. Try following the instructions below to see how to combine these to tags. Here's an example if you combine these to tags.
It's the first of the month. I brush my teeth and